Is it the right time to make a move on NIO stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that might impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Starting from January 2, 2024, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate with a score of -1.11. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this specific period. We will closely monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the upcoming days. Currently, the stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that it is likely to continue in a similar manner. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -1.12% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could show a return ranging between -16.44% and 10.7%. Analyzing the 12-month trend, it suggests a -11.84% change over the next year. This implies that there is a potential return range of -35.82% to 53.32%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $5.40 to $12.91 after 1 year. Our latest update on NIO brings a headline that reads, NIO stock price fell more than 7.17% on Tuesday, closing at $8.42. The NIO stock price dropped by 7.17% on the last trading day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, falling from $9.07 to $8.42. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 6.68%, with a low of $8.38 and a high of $8.94. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing a 5.51% increase over the past 2 weeks. Despite a 7 million share increase in volume, the prices have been declining. This could be seen as an early warning sign, potentially increasing the risk slightly in the next few days. Overall, approximately $681.42 million worth of shares, totaling 81 million, were bought and sold. Over the last 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $16.18, while the lowest was $7. Currently, the price is 47.96% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $7.76. It is also 87.43% lower than the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. Today, we're going to talk about analyst ratings for NIO. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. Another rating came in on the same day, when Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory also gave NIO a neutral grade, but with a downgrade action. Going back a bit, on Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. These analyst ratings provide valuable insights into the performance and potential of NIO. Analysts have given NIO stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend investing in NIO, with a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we're going to discuss the signals for NIO, an electric vehicle company. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for the NIO stock. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. As the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, this gives a positive forecast for the stock, signaling a general buy sentiment. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance at around $8.87, which is the level of the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $7.82, which aligns with the long-term average. Keep an eye out for a breakout above the short-term average, as it would indicate a buy signal. Conversely, a breakdown below the long-term average would suggest a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that could impact the stock's near-term development. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 10.71% decline so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that volume increased during the stock's recent decline, which could be an early warning sign. Make sure to monitor the stock closely for any further developments. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals that you should pay attention to in your trading journey. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which recently generated a buy signal. This is definitely worth considering. Another signal to take note of is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. Keep this in mind when making your trading decisions. The Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 9 days ago. This could be a potential opportunity for you to explore. On the other hand, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Make sure to factor this into your trading strategy. Conversely, the long-term moving average presented a buy signal 13 days ago. This is worth considering for longer-term positions. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. Keep an eye on this dynamic. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain further insights. The short moving average generated a buy signal 13 days ago. This is an interesting development to consider in your trading strategy. However, the long-term moving average recently presented a sell signal 2 days ago. This could impact your decision-making process. Lastly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 70 days ago. This is an important factor to keep in mind. If you're hungry for more signals and information, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. It's a valuable resource for traders like you. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO has found support from accumulated volume at $8.35. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, there may be a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. However, it's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile, which means it carries a higher level of risk. Looking at the Bollinger Band, there is a large prediction interval for this stock, further emphasizing its high-risk nature. In simpler terms, there is a wider range of potential price movements. In the past day, NIO's stock price fluctuated by $0.560, which is equivalent to a 6.68% change between its highest and lowest points. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.46%. Today, we'll discuss the potential trading levels for NIO. But before we get into that, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they are either losing money or have negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to have periods of decline, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for NIO. If NIO continues its upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $9.10. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could be a great opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $8.35. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? When it comes to NIO stock, we have observed several negative signals that indicate it may perform weakly in the near future. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Although there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, our analysis has downgraded it from a buy to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate NIO to open up $0.160 and commence trading at $8.58. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a significant risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Remember, StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're curious to know what your target is for this stock as well. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Now, let's dive into the details and explore the potential of this stock. Happy trading and have a fantastic day from all of us here at StockInvest.